Alright guys, so just wrapped up this 2022 refresh AT4. It's got the 2.5-inch BDS kit. It's a snap ring version. But before we talk about that one, I'll give you a little walk through the shop and show you some of the other projects we got going on right now. We'll start over here on the front. So we got this Jeep Gladiator Mojave. This one has the 6.5-inch Evo suspension lift. We've done the RPM steering, smart steer braces. It's currently on some 38s, but we are going to be going up to some 40s. I'll show you those in a moment. We also did the Fox Elite 2.5 shocks on this one. We've done a separate video on this one on the old suspension setup. We did have it on a 4-inch ready lift, but once we're finished with it, I'm sure we'll do another one. We got this 24 AT4X AEV edition. This one's getting a zone 1 3/4 leveling kit. Then we got this 24 Denali HD 3500 dually. It's got the 4-inch Cognito Elka series, 24-inch JTX wheels, and some Nitto Ridge grapplers 315/50/24s. Close to finishing this one. Once we do get it wrapped up, we'll do a video on it as well. Well, moving back here, got a 98 K15 Silverado. It's getting a 6-inch zone and a full front end rebuild. Also got some new tires, 35-inch Toyo MTs. Got this 24 Denali HD. This one got the 4-inch Cognito. It's the performance system on this one. Actually, that's the standard series on this one, and then this one got the performance series. This is a 24 Silverado High Country. Both of these are rolling on 37-inch Nitto Ridges. And then back to the focal point of the video. Again, this is 22 refresh. We just finished the BDS 2.5 snap ring coilover lift. It's going to have the Fox snap ring coilovers on the front, the 2.0s, and the 2.0 rear shock. This is not a leveling kit. This is a full suspension kit. While it does level it, it's a full kit. Get a lot of questions about this kit. So to make this work on this truck, we have to add a preload spacer that goes inside the coilover. I'll show you that. All right. And that's going to make this work on the AT4/Trail Bosses. Otherwise, it will sit just a little bit too low in the front. We've got this we offer these in various sizes, depending on which engine combination and how you want the rake of your truck. Now, those are only available through us, as we had them designed and built for this application. We are running 35 1250/20 BFG KO2s. You will notice that we have completely flat angles on your suspension. I love the way BDS does their skid plates. It's a 3-piece system, ties everything together. Comes with new outer tie rods. As far as trimming goes, very minor trimming to your lower valence through here, and then some trimming to the back of your flare, essentially in this area here. You could also do a mud flap delete to accomplish the same thing. As for the rear, it's going to replace your 2-inch factory block with a 3-inch rear block so that you net 1 inch of rear lift. You're also going to get your Fox 2.0 rear shocks and your brake line relocation brackets. Really nice, clean looking setup. This is going to be a lot better setup than just your standard leveling kit, since these trucks do come factory with a small lift. When you add that additional lift, it really doesn't make for a great CV axle and ball joint angle. So you end up with a harsh ride and can cause some premature failure of your suspension components. Going with that 2.5 kit, again, you get that factory angle, or actually better than factory angle, when you're considering an AT4 or a Trail Boss, which is translated to an even better ride than we started with. I almost forgot to mention those 40s. These are 1550 Furies on 26 by 14s. They're going on the Jeep Mojave. We'll do another video on that one as soon as we wrap it up. But that's going to be it on this one, guys. Make sure you like the video, subscribe, stay tuned for more.